Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatayamam gatarasam Puti Paryushitancha Yet Vuchishtam Apichamedhyam Bhojanam Tamasapriyam Om. Before you eat, offer it to Sri Krishna Paramatma. That means the food that you are eating should be fit for offering to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely offer food to you before I eat. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall also make sure the food that I am eating is fit for offering it to you. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall do as you say. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Srimanarayana in the form of Mahakurmam, the huge tortoise, entered into ocean kept the mountain Mandara on his back and then lifted that Mandara. Then Devatas and Danavas, they started churning the milky ocean. O Parikshin Narendra, when Devatas and Danavas were churning that mountain in the ocean, this Mahakurmam, he kept that mountain on his back, so he was feeling so much relaxed when the mountain was rotating on his back. Mene anga kanduyanam aprameyam. Mahakurmam, the divine tortoise, Sriman Narayana, was feeling very happy and relaxed. And also Paramatma, in the form of tortoise, while being under that mountain, and also he is giving the strength to Devatas, Danavas. He was there in Devatas and Danavas. He was also there in Vasuki, so that Vasuki will not get crushed. Like that, in Devatas, Danavas, in Vasuki, and also on the top of the mountain, he kept one of his hand so that it won't move around. Like that, Paramatma, Kavvambunatanata Hari 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 Chitralila Hari Ye Rugun. Like that, Sriman Narayana in the form of Mahakurmam, he was there in Devatas, he was there in Danavas, he was there in Vasuki, he was there in mountain. In so many ways, Paramatma himself is doing Samudra Madhanam, the churning ocean. Tadha Asuran Avisatasurena. In the form of Rajogunam, he was there in Danavas. In the form of Sattvagunam, Paramatma is there in Devatas. In the form of Tamogunam, Paramatma is there in Vasuki. Like that, Paramatma encouraging all the Devatas and Danavas to do that Kshirasagara Madhanam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 10th sloka. Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitam chayat uchishtam cha medhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam. Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitam chayat uchishtam cha medhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.